Harvesting frogs for sale at markets is a unique and often overlooked aspect of agricultural practices that blend traditional methods with modern technology, such as the use of three-wheeled vehicles. These vehicles, commonly found in various cultures, provide an efficient means of transportation for both harvesters and their catch, facilitating the journey from rural wetlands to bustling market squares. As dusk settles and the heat of the day dissipates, skilled frog harvesters venture into marshy terrains equipped with nets, buckets, and their trusty three-wheeled vehicles. This combination allows them to collect a significant quantity of frogs while minimizing fatigue and maximizing productivity. The process begins with the harvesters locating areas rich in frog populations, often relying on local knowledge passed down through generations. Once a suitable spot is identified, they wade through shallow waters, expertly casting nets to catch these amphibians. Frogs are valued in many cultures for their unique flavor and versatility in cooking, making them a sought-after delicacy in various cuisines. The most commonly harvested species include the bullfrog and the green frog, prized for their meaty legs which are similar to chicken in taste and texture. After a successful night of harvesting, the next step is to load the catch into the vehicle. The three-wheeled vehicle, often adorned with a vibrant canopy that provides shade during transportation, makes it easier for the harvesters to transport their goods. These vehicles are often a lifeline for small-scale farmers and fishermen, allowing them to reach markets faster and at a lower cost than traditional trucks or bikes. This efficiency not only helps reduce spoilage but also enhances the economic viability of their harvests. Upon reaching the market, the frogs are then prepared for sale. Vendors often display them in baskets or containers filled with water to keep them alive and fresh, appealing to customers who prioritize quality. The market atmosphere is vibrant and bustling, filled with the sounds of haggling and the aromas of various foods being prepared. Purchasers range from local chefs looking to buy fresh ingredients for their restaurants to home cooks seeking to incorporate frog legs into their meals. The demand for frogs is particularly high in regions where traditional dishes feature this ingredient, such as frog legs sautéed in garlic butter or deep-fried served with various dipping sauces. Moreover, the preparation of frog legs signals a significant aspect of food culture in many parts of the world. Cooking methods vary widely. Some prefer simple preparations, while others opt for more intricate recipes that highlight the frog's delicate flavor. For example, in Southeast Asian cuisine, frogs are often marinated with turmeric and other spices before being grilled or stewed, showcasing the versatility of the ingredient. The impact of utilizing three-wheeled vehicles in this process extends beyond mere transportation. It supports local economies and livelihoods. By simplifying logistics, harvesters can reach broader markets and engage in more profitable sales, increasing their income and enabling them to reinvest in their businesses or secure a better quality of life for their families. Furthermore, the sustainability of frog harvesting is paramount. Responsible and regulated harvesting practices ensure that frog populations remain healthy and ecologically balanced. Overharvesting can lead to declines in local populations, threatening both ecosystems and the livelihoods of those who depend on them. Hence, maintaining ecological integrity is crucial. Conservation efforts often accompany these practices, promoting sustainable harvesting techniques and educating communities about the importance of biodiversity. Local governments or organizations may enforce regulations on the size and species of frogs that can be harvested, ensuring that vulnerable populations are protected. Such initiatives help to create awareness about the ecological impact of harvesting practices while providing alternative livelihoods for communities reliant on frog harvesting. Additionally, as global culinary trends evolve, there is an increasing interest in frog meat in international markets. This demand calls for even greater attention to sustainable practices, as harvesters adapt to meet this new need while still maintaining their cultural traditions. The intersection of modern market demands with traditional harvesting practices exemplifies a dynamic approach to food sourcing within a changing global culinary landscape. In summary, the harvesting of frogs using three-wheeled vehicles is emblematic of a unique adaptation of local practices to meet market demands. It underscores the importance of sustainable practices while contributing to the local economy and culinary diversity. The journey from wetlands to market is not just about the sale of frog legs, it is a reflection of cultural traditions, economic strategies, and a commitment to preserving both livelihoods and ecosystems. The vibrant market scene, filled with the sounds and sights of this unique trade, encapsulates the essence of food culture and the interconnectedness of local practices with global trends.